So picture this. You're on work one day, minding your own business, and a front-end dev comes to you and says, hey, I want an API in 5 minutes. Don't panic, don't fret, don't sweat. This is the tutorial series for you. We'll be walking through the ElevateFast.dev FastAPI Survival Sheet series, and this is video 1, where I'm going to be showing you to build an API in 5 minutes. So let's handle our coworker and let's show them that we can build the API in 5 minutes. Hey everyone, welcome to the Elevate FastAPI Survival series, where we build real APIs in real time fast. This is sheet number 1, basic structure and routing, and today we'll be answering one simple question. What if you had to launch an application in under 5 minutes? Let's walk through it step by step, from rapid flow to the browser test, and break down what actually makes FastAPI so fast. So here's our FastAPI rapid flow. We'll have to do our import, create an app, set up our routes, and then we'll launch it with UV code. 4 steps, all clean, all powerful. But what's under the hood? FastAPI is built on Starlet. This is for asynchronous web handling, and Pydantic for data validation. This means that it's fast, it's asynchronous by default, and it's powered by the asynchronous serial gateway interface. Now, this ASGI lets FastAPI handle many requests at once. Unlike the OLA, the web serial gateway interface-based frameworks, WSGI, this is the foundation that makes your apps feel really snappy, even under load. So let's get to it and let's go step by step with the code. So we have our file. The file name is main.py. And what we're going to want to do is we'll want to import FastAPI. So we'll do from FastAPI. We'll import FastAPI. Then, if we don't have FastAPI installed yet, you'll do pip install FastAPI and pip install UVCon. Right now, once we have our FastAPI imported, what we'll do is going to create our app. So we'll do app is equal to FastAPI. And what this does is it sets up the core engine of your API. Then we define our first route. So we want an HTTP GET route that responds to our route path. So we'll do app.get, and this slash just refers to our route path. That's all it refers to. We'll say define home, and we'll return a very simple JSON message. Now decorators like app.get, they let us define endpoints just by tagging the function, and it does tag the function below it. So this app.get is tagging this home function. Once you're finished with this, we have to launch the app. So we do this with UVCon, we Control S, make sure it's saved. Then you'll do UVCon, main, app, -- reload, run, and our app is being run. Now main is the name of a file name. In our case, the name of the file is main.py. We drop the py extension and just leave the app name. App is the FastAPI instance, and this -- reload, all this does is it watches for when your code changes. We head to our browser and boom, there it is. We see in our message and it's there as JSON. But we are not done. FastAPI also gives you the built-in docs. So go to /docs, check this out. Now that's clean. You can test every route interactively using the Swagger UI. It's auto-generated and it's ready out of the box. So let's recap what we've done in 5 minutes. We've created our working API in one file. We've defined our first route. We've launched with UVCon, tested in the browser, and accessed the built-in API docs. This is sheet 1 of 30 in the Elevate FastAPI Survival series. Next up, we look at data models and validation with Pydantic. Follow, like, and subscribe. And if you're serious about learning FastAPI the right way, grab the full PDF, cheat sheets, and bonus content at ElevateFast.dev. Catch you in the next one.